Hello everyone, Happy New Year 2024. Welcome to Dante's Daily Diary. Hope you're having a great time. And today I'm here at Grove City Outlet Mall here in Pennsylvania, USA. And we're gonna do some shoppings over here. Wow, this is one of the biggest malls here in Pennsylvania. And we're just waiting for the outlet mall to open. We're gonna go shopping, folks, for 2024. But before that, folks, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button for me, folks. Click the little bell icon and select all so you get notified of all my video posting. And of course, don't forget to like and share the video, folks. All right, let's go. Medyo wala pang tao, mga folks, pero pwede kayo magkape-kape rito. See? Wow. Oh, meron pang malaking Christmas tree. Oh, look. Happy holidays. Yung malaking Christmas tree. Oh. Yeah. We're just gonna sit somewhere here. Okay. Your husband called and said, buy anything you want. So kung kayo asawa, if you're the husband, you have to buy your wife anything she wants. Yun ang dapat. Ayun, no? So lahat kailangan bilhin nyo sa asawa nyo. Okay? So wag na kayo mag-vlog. Don't vlog about things here that doesn't even suits you. Like you're vlogging negatively against US, against Canada, against your job. But you don't want to go back to Philippines. You're still here working. That's bull. Alright? Okay. Let's go, folks, further. Oh, Starbucks. Wala, pasok muna tayo dun. Let's go inside, folks. Starbucks. Okay. Woohoo. Starbucks.
There's Wi-Fi.
Okay, folks, gaya nga nung mga napapanood ko sa vlog, sinasabi nila Oh, ang hirap ng buhay dito sa Amerika. Kayod ka ng kayod. Oh, sa Canada, trabaho ka lang ng trabaho. Lahat ng sweldo mo, mapupunta lang sa sasakyan. Tapos, sinasabi nila, wala ka ng panahon sa anak mo. Pwede ba yun? Eh, wala kang panahon sa anak mo, di huwag ka na magtrabaho. Dalawa lang naman yun eh. Hindi naman solusyon yung magtipid eh. Ang solusyon, dagdagan mo yung kita mo. Kasi pag nagtipid ka, talaga magre-reklamo ka. Ang problema, ayaw nyo naman umuwi sa Pilipinas, no? Gaya nito, ang sasarap ng pagkain, di ba? So dapat mag-enjoy na lang kayo. Kaya nga kayo nagtatrabaho pa gumastos. So gastusin nyo yung pera nyo. Huwag nyo tipirin. Kasi bukas hindi nyo maalam kung buhay pa kayo, di ba? Ang sarap. See, the problem with Filipinos here, they always complain about their status. But, you know, they don't want to go back home in Philippines. Siyempre, ini-expect nila, pagdating nila rito, akala nila, yung trabaho nila sa Pilipinas, pagdating dito, ganun pa rin. Kasi for what they have in Philippines, no, it doesn't work that way. Pagdating dito, kahit na lawyer kayo sa Pilipinas, or doktor, or kahit na engineer kayo, pagdating nyo rito, wala kayong pinag-aralan. Kasi unang-una, hindi kayo pumasok sa eskwelahan dito. So they will treat you as talagang zero education. Delicious. Kapag dito. Well, kung i-credit nila yung mga papers nyo sa school, that's already your bonus. Matuwa na kayo doon. Pero kung hindi, then you have to dance with the music. Mga folks, gagaya nito. Oh, anong masasabi mo tungkol sa buhay dito sa Canada at sa Amerika? Oh, sure. Ang sarap ng buhay dito. Punta kayo dito. Oh, kita nyo? Ngayon, ipantay nyo yung sarili nyo dun sa walang pinag-aralan sa Pilipinas saka sa walang pinag-aralan dito. Minimum lang kinikita nyo. So minimum, okay. Kumpara nyo sa Pilipinas yung minimum wage nyo ron, saka dito, obviously, malaki yung minimum wage dito. Yun ang dahilan kung bakit kahit nagbablog yung mga Pilipino, mga kababayan natin Pilipino na mahirap dito, mahirap, ganyan, lahat na lang dito, puro trabaho ng trabaho, lahat dito, wala kang gagawin kundi magtrabaho, ayaw naman nilang umuwi. Kasi alam nila, wala rin silang aabutin dyan sa Pilipinas. Ganun lang yun. Okay? So, please stop vlogging negative things about Canada, about US. No, don't do that. Kasi you yourself, you don't want to leave the country. Lauren, wow. Wow, ang laki nitong outlet na to. Sobrang laki. Kaya kulang na naman tayo sa oras. We're running out of time, so I think we have to stop vlogging for now. Yeah, folks, so there you have it. So we're just gonna continue this vlog. Tuloy na lang natin to next time. Stay safe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.